So today we have a 1997 993 Turbo S, one of approximately 370 produced for the world and roughly 170 that have come to the United States. Exclusive, it certainly is. We've been lucky enough to also own a couple of 1973 911 RSs lately, and this has been a partial trade towards a very, very cool Viper Green one we recently had. So it's looking for a home, it's exclusive, and we're going to give it a road test to show you that it actually works. So we're going to fire the Turbo S up, and it hasn't been started for most of the day. I know people like cold starts, but Porsches will start unless it's catastrophic. They're starting. So a Porsche guy will know that, Porsche gal will know that, and there you have it. So we can, while we're sitting here letting it warm up, and before the road test, we can show you that everything works. You know what? I'm not going to show you everything works. Let's just assume it all works, because why wouldn't it? It's got 12,300 miles from new. It is in exceptional condition, well serviced, and now we'll go take it for a ride, warm it up, and then come back to you. Okay, well, we are at operating temperatures. We're going to take the back roads. We're going to just show you how well it drives, do our flybys, and not do anything crazy because there's no reason to. We're just going to take you around a few twisty roads. Hope that none of the oncoming traffic gets us, because this is crazy. Okay then. Alright, so here we are back. I'm just going to let everyone enjoy a little bit. Show the gearbox, clutch, steering. It is just a really good car. I hope you're enjoying these back roads as much as I am. I'm going to now be quiet for a little